Investing seems intimidating, like standing at the base of a huge mountain, unsure where to begin or what gear you'll need for the climb. But it doesn't have to be overwhelming. The truth is, anyone can start, and the first step is often the hardest, but also the most important. Forget the myths. You don't need a finance degree, a fancy suit, or a mountain of cash to get going. All you need is a willingness to learn and a little bit of patience. Building wealth is about simplicity, not complexity. The best strategies are often the easiest to understand and stick with. The real secret? It's owning a piece of the entire American economy, not just betting on a single company or trend. And you can do this easily and affordably. The tool that makes it possible for almost anyone is called VOO. VOO lets you own shares of the biggest and best US companies, think Apple, Google, and hundreds more, all in one simple investment. This isn't just for the wealthy or financial experts, it's for anyone, including you, no matter your background or starting point. Think of money as a tool, not something to fear or stress over. It's here to help you build the life you want. Right now, you probably work hard for your money, trading your time and energy for every dollar. But investing lets your money work for you, so you can start building wealth even while you sleep or focus on other things. That's the magic. Your dollars earning more dollars, quietly growing in the background, compounding over time. This guide will keep things simple and clear, breaking down every step so you never feel lost or overwhelmed. No jargon, no complicated strategies, and no confusing charts. Just straightforward advice you can actually use. My goal is to give you the confidence to take your first step, knowing you're on the right path. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about steady progress, not quick wins. It takes patience, discipline, and a willingness to stick with it, not genius or luck. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what VOO is, how it works, and why it's such a powerful tool for your future. You'll be ready to start your own path to wealth, equipped with knowledge and confidence. Today is the day you begin. Let's get started together. Your journey to building wealth starts right now. So, what is VOO? VOO is an ETF, a basket of stocks, not just one. When you buy VOO, you own a slice of the 500 largest US companies. This group is called the S&P 500 Index. You get exposure to companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and hundreds more. By owning VOO, you're betting on the long-term success of the entire US economy. This removes the guesswork of picking individual stocks. If one company fails, it barely affects your investment. VOO simply tracks the performance of these top companies as a group. It's a passive, low-maintenance way to invest. VOO stands for Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, managed by Vanguard. Vanguard is known for keeping costs low for investors. Low fees mean more of your money stays invested. VOO is the ticker symbol you use to buy it. It's your key to owning the market. Simple, powerful, and accessible. Why is VOO so effective? What makes it stand out from the thousands of other investment options out there? It comes down to three powerful reasons: diversification, low cost, and growth. These are the pillars that make VOO a favorite among both new and experienced investors. Diversification means your money isn't tied to just one company or even a handful. Instead, it's spread across 500 of America's largest and most influential companies, covering a wide range of industries. If one sector struggles, others can balance it out. This way, your investment is less likely to take a big hit from any single company or industry having a bad year. This reduces your risk. No single company can sink your investment. It's like having a safety net for your money, giving you peace of mind. Next, let's talk about cost. VOO's fees are incredibly low, just a tiny fraction of a percent. That means more of your money stays invested and has the chance to grow and compound over the years. High-fee funds can quietly eat away at your returns, sometimes costing you thousands over decades. But with VOO, you keep more of what you earn. Finally, growth. The S&P 500, which VOO tracks, has a long history of rising over time, reflecting the strength and innovation of the American economy. There are always ups and downs. Markets can be unpredictable in the short term, but the long-term trend has been upward, rewarding patient investors. By owning VOO, you're riding the wave of American innovation and progress, letting your money grow alongside the country's biggest success stories. You let the best companies in the world work for you day and night. building your wealth while you focus on living your life. No need to constantly watch the market or try to outsmart it. Just own it and let time do the heavy lifting. This strategy is simple, proven, and powerful. It's a time-tested approach that has helped millions build wealth. Diversification protects you, low cost grows your wealth, and growth builds your future. These benefits work together to help you reach your financial goals. That's why VOO is considered a smart choice by so many investors, from beginners to experts. Let's take a closer look at how your money can grow with VOO over time. You don't need a lot to start investing. Even if you feel like you have just a little to spare, that's enough to begin your journey toward building wealth. Consistency and time are what matter most. It's not about making one big investment, but about showing up month after month, year after year. Imagine investing $100 a month in VOO, a fund that tracks the S&P 500. It's a simple, steady approach that anyone can follow. It may not seem like much at first, but compounding works wonders. Over time, your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning returns too. If VOO grows at 10% per year, the S&P 500's historical average, your money multiplies faster than you might expect. After 1 year, you've invested $1,200. With growth, that could be about $1,267. It's a small start, but it's the beginning of something bigger. Keep going. After 10 years, your $12,000 investment could be worth over $20,000. That's the power of patience and persistence. After 30 years, $36,000 invested could grow to more than $226,000. That's how time turns small steps into giant leaps. Most of that is growth, your money working for you, day and night, even while you sleep. The key is discipline and a long-term mindset. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon that rewards those who stay the course. Start early, invest regularly, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Like a snowball rolling downhill, your wealth can grow bigger and faster over time. Don't wait for the perfect time or a big sum. The market rewards action, not hesitation. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best is today. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity for your money to grow. Even small, regular investments can grow into real wealth. Over time, those little contributions add up to something truly significant. Plant your financial tree now. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see it grow. Let time and consistency work their magic. The results may surprise you in the best way. Start with what you can afford. Every dollar invested is a step closer to your goals. Don't delay. Begin your journey today. The path to wealth is built one step at a time. The earlier you start, the more you'll have. Take action now and let your future self thank you for the decision you made today. Investing is like the tortoise and the hare. The hare chases hot stocks hoping for quick wins. Sometimes they get lucky, but often they lose. The tortoise, VOO investor, buys the whole market, slow and steady. No need to chase trends or time the market. The tortoise's approach is boring but reliable. Studies show most people, even pros, can't beat the S&P 500 long term. VOO lets you capture the market's return. No drama, no guesswork. You avoid costly mistakes, trading fees and stress. The tortoise wins by staying consistent. Let others chase excitement. You focus on steady growth. This simple strategy is the most reliable path to wealth. Take the slow, steady route. Relax and let your investments work for you. Be the tortoise. Win the race. All investing has risks. There are no guarantees. The stock market is like the ocean, sometimes calm, sometimes stormy. The key is to build a sturdy ship. VOO is that ship, thanks to diversification. Owning one stock is like being on a tiny raft. If it sinks, you lose everything. With VOO, you're on an aircraft carrier, 500 companies strong. If a few companies fail, your investment barely feels it. VOO spreads your risk across the entire market. When the market drops, VOO will drop too, but it's built to recover. Bear markets are normal. The market always bounces back. VOO gives you the confidence to ride out storms. Stay invested, don't panic, and let history work for you. Diversification is your safety net. VOO is a safer harbor for your money. Trust the process and stay the course. The hardest part of investing isn't picking VOO, it's managing your emotions. The market will drop, sometimes sharply. News and friends may urge you to sell, but selling in a panic locks in losses. The real winners stay calm and keep investing. Downturns are temporary and often the best times to buy. Think of a market crash as a sale. Stocks are cheaper. If you don't need the money soon, ignore the noise. Your behavior, not your IQ, determines your success. Stick to your plan. Invest a set amount every month. This is called dollar cost averaging. Sometimes you'll buy high, sometimes low. It averages out. The market has always recovered and reached new highs. Have faith, stay disciplined, and you'll be rewarded. Patience and consistency are your greatest allies. You're ready to start. Open a brokerage account. It's quick and easy. Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab are great options. Fund your account with any amount you're comfortable with. Search for VOO and buy your first shares. Automate your investments. Set up recurring monthly purchases. Automation removes emotion and keeps you consistent. Even $100 a month is powerful. The key is to begin and keep going. Set it, forget it, and let your wealth grow. Take your first step today. Your future self will thank you. Building wealth isn't complicated. A simple plan and discipline are all you need. VOO gives you ownership of America's best companies, with low fees and safety through diversification. Live below your means, avoid debt, and invest the rest in VOO. Do this consistently and you'll build real wealth. Financial independence is possible for you. Keep learning, but don't let research stop you from starting. The most important step is action. Start today, no matter how small. The simple path is waiting. Just walk it. Share this guide with others who might benefit. Comment below with your questions or experiences. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Wishing you success on your simple path to wealth.